Hey there, welcome to the channel. In this video tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to optimize the SEO on your YouTube channel by using custom GPTs. This is one of the best free ways to go about it. There's also tools like VidIQ and TubeBuddy, which I've personally been using for years. So in order to get started, you're just going to want to go over to chatgpt.com/GPTs. And then from here, you can just search for YouTube SEO. That will search through all of the GPTs that can optimize your channel. And as you can see, there's quite a few different options to choose from here. But I'm going to select the most popular one with over 100,000 uses. So if I just click on that, I can quickly and easily start a chat with the GPT. And this just opened up a new chat window. And if I want to, let's say, optimize my description for one of my latest videos on this channel where you're watching this now, all I have to do is to give it a prompt. So I'm just going to say, create an SEO description for video with this title. And I'm just going to copy and paste in the title. And it's going to spit out an SEO optimized description for the video. So here it is. Learn how to create stunning AI avatar videos for YouTube using HeyGen in this step-by-step full tutorial. And as you can see here, it also includes the hashtags as well. And it's asking me, how does the description look? Do you want me to make it more keyword dense for ranking in YouTube search, or shorter and punchier for higher retention? Yes, I'm just going to say both. Right here, here's version 1. That's the keyword dense SEO description that's best for ranking. And then you've got version 2, punchy and engaging, best for retention, right? So in this case, I would just choose the one that's best for ranking. The more keywords, the better. And so I'm just going to copy and paste this. I'm going to come over to my YouTube channel right here. I'm just going to copy and paste in exactly what they provided over here. And then we have to do some simple editing. But for the most part, it's pretty much ready to go out of the box. Learn how to create engaging AI avatar videos. And then it says, in this HeyGen tutorial, you'll discover how to make AI avatar YouTube videos from scratch, step-by-step guide to using HeyGen. And it says by the end, you'll have your own digital twin avatar ready to use for YouTube marketing, training, or even fun personal projects, right? And that's all optimized for the keywords that I want to rank for. And now if I want to do the exact same thing, I can just copy and paste this title right here. And I can just come back over here and paste in the title. I don't even need to tell it to make a description because it's already it's going to remember what I was just talking about. So once again, as you can see here, there's the keyword dense SEO description. And here it is, right? So I'm just going to copy and paste this right here. I'm going to come back over to my YouTube video right here. And we're just going to fix up a few things real quick. Boom. Now, after we've done this, we can come back in, another week and see if it's actually improving the overall views and ranking of the video. And in order to do that, we're just going to come down to analytics right here. And we can see, right now it's mostly flat. But if this starts going up even faster, then that means that the changes that we've made are actually making a difference to the overall ranking of the video. So this thumbnail, so if I come back over to this GPT, it looks like, unfortunately, I will need to upgrade to the paid plan of GPT-5. I'm still currently on the free plan. And I've just created this prompt right here to create a 100-word SEO-optimized YouTube description in the AI automation niche, and make sure to pepper in keywords naturally to get more views and subscribers, right? So if I want to run this, I could just click on edit. And in this case, I'm going to be using my API credits, right? So if I come over here, I can see my total usage. And if I come up to billing, we should be able to see how many credits I have left. And there's still got about $4 worth of credits on here. So if you do run out of usage on your GPT plan, let's say you're on the free plan, you can just create your own custom AI assistant and use this instead, right? So all I'm going to do is I'm just going to take this, and I'm going to come back over to my prompt right here and open this up and say, make sure to use the following format, and I'm just going to copy and paste that in. That way, it's going to look exactly like this every time we create a new description. And I've also set up here, make it simple language a fifth grader could understand, because that's going to be best for ranking in YouTube. So now I'm just going to come over here and I'm just going to copy and paste in this title, and it should create the description within a couple seconds using my own custom AI assistant. So here we are. Now, as you can see, it didn't use the same format, unfortunately. So I'm not exactly sure why. Let's open this up again for the description. So that's going to be the exact same format as the custom GPT we were using earlier. And we can also switch the model as well if we want to. So let's say I want to use GPT 4o. I can switch it over to that one. And now let's try this again. Hopefully it will create a description in the correct format. And there we go. So now that definitely looks better, although, so let's do the exact same thing, paste in the title, it will create the description. And these are all going to be optimized for higher ranking on YouTube. So what I have right now is not great. It doesn't have a lot of the keywords that you will ultimately need for ranking. So we're just going to take this, we're going to copy and paste it in. As you can see, it's the exact same format as the GPT I was using. It's got the keywords Facebook Messenger, make.com. These are keywords I want to rank for. And if we scroll down as well, you will see that I'm using these particular keywords or tags down below, and VidIQ is responsible for helping me to find the least competitive and highest ranking possibilities, right? And you can also see the score over here. This is powered by VidIQ as well. It looks like I do need to fix up the title to evoke some emotion. So if I want to do that, I can just come over here. And even though this is for descriptions, it should work for titles as well. Right, so let's just see if this works. Even though this particular one is only for descriptions, it should still work for titles as well. There we go. Master Facebook Messenger Automation with make.com, a step-by-step guide. So that could be an even better title. Just going to test this real quick. And you can see the score over here as well, powered by VidIQ. And looks like that does have a slightly higher score. Personally, I feel like it's a little bit wordy. So if we scroll down here, you can see the score is actually lower now because the title is too long. So in this particular case, GPT wasn't able to do a very good job with the title, so we're just going to set it back to what it was before. Something we could do is we could just remove using make.com, and we could put in make.com tutorial here, because that's also a keyword that I want to rank for is make.com tutorial. And that also gets a pretty good score, and that should be good for now. So let's just do that. And if I want to, let's say, fix up this thumbnail, there's ways to do this as well. I could simply take this and put it into Nana Banana, for example. So this is one of the latest and greatest image generation tools. If I want to fix up this thumbnail, I can quickly and easily do so over here. Somewhere here, this is actually the wrong one, but I'm just going to tell it to make this a compelling thumbnail. Now it's going to do its magic here, and it should turn it into a much more compelling thumbnail in order to get a higher click-through rate. And as you can see, it did make it look a little bit crisper. It still looks very similar, but it definitely seems a bit, more click-worthy. So I highly recommend using Nana Banana for fixing up your YouTube thumbnails in order to get more clicks. But in this case, I'm just going to use the thumbnail as is because I don't want to change too many things at once. Otherwise, I won't know what leads to more views. Is it the thumbnail? Is it a description? Is it the title? It's best to just change one thing at a time. And obviously, you could hire someone to do this for you, like let's say a virtual assistant. It would probably save you a lot of time. But at the end of the day, if you could just use, AI to do it for you. It doesn't really make a lot of sense to hire somebody. Just use the custom ChatGPT module and it will do everything for you. Now, obviously, you can fix this up even more if these aren't the specific topics that you're talking about in the video tutorial in this particular case, then you would change it. But in most cases, it's usually pretty good at coming up with something that can work. And this one just says, unlock the secrets of make.com with our complete 1-hour crash course designed for beginners to evolve into pro automation experts. I would just actually remove that. In this comprehensive video, you'll learn how to create efficient workflows, integrate powerful AI tools, and enhance productivity without any coding. Right? That's pretty good. Discover step-by-step guidance. We can remove this part. It's just a little bit too wordy. Whether you're a freelancer, business owner, or tech enthusiast, I would put AI because that's the keyword I want to rank for. This make.com tutorial is perfect for you. And that's pretty much all there is to it. This part we could actually just remove. Let's just add this part in right here. And then I have all of my links down below. So schedule AI strategy call. I also have all of the timestamps, which is also very important for ranking on YouTube. It's just a good indicator, and it actually helps with indexing on Google as well, so that people can just find the specific timestamps based on these keywords and jump to those specific sections, right? So that's very helpful. And then obviously I have all my social media accounts and my affiliate links in here as well. So every time somebody signs up, I get a commission. And I have watch more related tutorials right here so they can check out some of my other tutorials. And then basically just subscribe at the end and some of the high ranking AI keywords that I want to rank for down here as well. And if you are getting more views, that means that the changes that you've implemented are actually working and they're effective for ranking higher on YouTube. So I would check back, every week or two to see how it's performing. And I wish you best of luck. If you have any questions, drop a comment down below. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And I will see you in the next one. Hope this was helpful. And go ahead and check out this custom GPT right here. And you're off to the races.